no more because I'm cold as ice. And no so smooth, but wear leather in the summer and still be cool. You see my rhymes so deaf that you can't resist. So if you need to bite something, bite this. My mama, yo, mama hanging out clothes. My mama sock, yo, mama in the nose. Did it hurt?
No!
Did it hurt?
No!
Chicka, chicka, no be, no be, no be. All the children gone to heaven. Won't be back till 10 after 11. Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
I got a girl in the cotton field. She won't, but her sister will. And I got a girl in Alabama. I hit her in the head with a rotten banana.
Oh, make good or had a fun. E-I-E-I-O. And on the floor you had some bells, and this is how it goes.
So come on everybody and get to this, cause it's a brand new groove and it can't be missed. So say you suck a MC, this rhyme for you, cause it's funky, fresh, and also brand new. You see, I never met a face that I didn't like, and I never met an MC who didn't try to bite my rhymes, cause they're one of a kind. Sit back and relax and like Miller time. Like a bowl of camel soup, I'm good. Just ask all the ladies in my neighborhood. See, I'm quite handsome and know so fine, and if you can't see that, you must be blind. Go to a knock, time a trip is best you need, because I won't stop sucking till I do succeed. I'm in this game for fortune and fame, and I won't stop rocking until I reign. Hey, 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 it's Fat Rome.
And he's gonna be box for you. And you might learn a thing or two. Come join the party with Jig and all the gang. Listen to the rhymes and watch them do their thing. Have a good Oh, McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And all his farm he had some bass, and this is how it goes.
I say, yo, party people all over the world, homeboy, fly guys, and pretty girls. Let me take time out to introduce myself, cause I'm the man who cuts a rhyme like no one else. See, I rock the house so viciously, you might think I'm from another galaxy, but for those of you who do not know, it's the Gigolo that's rocking this show.